All these teams are generated based on the Dream11 rules and regulations, and all these teams are very highly filtered according to the match situation. Hi guys, how is it going? This is Believer01 yet again came with another video. So in this video I am going to give you the GL winning tips and tricks, and finally generating the teams for tomorrow match, which is Chennai Super Kings versus Delhi Capitals. In this video we are going to generate the teams which have the potential to become GL winning teams essentially. So before generating the GL winning teams, let's analyze the data that we have, and based on that data we will generate the teams. So whatever the data we have, the probable playing 11 for tomorrow match between CSK and Delhi Capitals will be from the CSK, Robin Uthappa, Rutraj Gaikwad, Faf du Plessis, Suresh Raina, MS Dhoni, Ravindra Jadeja, Sam Curran, Bravo, Shardul Thakur, Chahar and Krishnappa Gautam might play on tomorrow. These guys are the probable playing 11 from CSK side, and for the Delhi Capitals side, Shikhar Dhawan, Prithvi Shaw, Steve Smith, Hetmeyer, Pant, Stoinis, Mishra, Ashwin, Chris Wokes, Umesh Yadav and Ishan Sharma will be the probable playing 11 from Delhi Capitals side. So the top players from both the teams will be Faf du Plessis, Suresh Raina and Sam Curran will be the top players from the CSK side according to the fantasy, as far as the fantasy concerned. And from the Delhi Capitals side, Shikhar Dhawan, Steve Smith, Marcus Stoinis and Rishabh Pant are the top players according to the fantasy. So in our software we have a captain section, right? So for those captains, let's analyze the players that we can consider as captain from CSK side. Faf du Plessis, Suresh Raina and Sam Curran can be treated as a captain potential players, and when it comes to Delhi Capitals, Shikhar Dhawan, Steve Smith, Marcus Stoinis and Rishabh Pant can be considered as a captain players. And as well as the captain, let's check the vice captain as well. For the vice captain, Faf du Plessis, Suresh Raina, Sam Curran and Robin Uthappa and Dwayne Bravo can be considered as vice captain players. And also from the Delhi Capitals side, Shikhar Dhawan, Steve Smith, Marcus Stoinis, Rishabh Pant and Prithvi Shaw can be considered as a vice captain. So let's analyze the pitch details and pitch statistics of tomorrow's match. So the pitch will be batting pitch, so there will be a lot of runs for sure. So the average total score will be 168. That means for 40 overs it would be around 340 runs. If for out of 40 overs it would be 340 runs. That means a lot of runs are going to be there on tomorrow's match. So according to these data, let's analyze some of the specifications for our Dream11 team generating software. So the best stats for GL winning will be, as it is a batting pitch, the credit range, the ideal credit range will be 98.5 to 100 credits for the total team, and CSK is almost equal to Delhi Capitals in this scenario. So we can go for 6 players from CSK and 5 players from Delhi Capitals, or 5 players from CSK and 6 players from Delhi Capitals. And finally the batting combination, since it is a batting pitch, so we can consider these 3 combinations for the generating the teams in our software. So it will be 1-4-2-4 and 1 wicket keeper, 4 batsmen, 2 all-rounder, 4 bowler, and likewise 2-4-2-3 and 1 wicket keeper, 5 batsmen, 2 all-rounder, 3 bowlers can be also considered. So this is a software. As those who don't know about this software, this is a Dream11 team generating software. Not only for Dream11, it supports a wide variety of fantasy applications like MPL, My Team 11 and My 11 Circuit and a lot of applications. So by using all these data, let's generate the teams in our beautiful team generator software. So let's jump into this. So this is how the software looks like, and since we have already analyzed the data, so based on the data, let's use our software to generate the 100% winning 100% GL winning teams. So let's go ahead and click on cricket, and after that we have to click on generate teams. Those who don't know how to use this software, you can refer the videos in our channel. I have already made a lot of videos on how to use this software efficiently, effectively. So you can see we have to choose the fantasy. So since we are playing Dream11, so I'm choosing the Dream11, and after that we have to choose the series. So we are more in this match, this is a match of IPL, so I am selecting the IPL. And after that there are three sections here. Whatever the all the analysis that we have done, we have to use those analytic data for generating the teams. So there are three sections. One is for small league, quick small league, quick grand league. That means these two sections we don't have to give any data. You just need to select the players that are that are playing that are playing in the match. The teams will be automatically selected by the software by using multiple algorithms, advanced techniques. So if you want to use your skill, and if you want to use your skill and extra amount of data, then you can go for advanced generation. So for this video I am going to go with advanced generation. For those who don't want to go with this advanced generation, can go with these two sections as well. I highly recommend small league section. This is also very powerful. So and advanced section is also very powerful. So let me go with the advanced generation section. And after that we need to choose the match. So CSK versus Delhi Capitals is the match. After that we need to click on continue, and after that we need to give match number. You can give any match number, because in this software whatever the teams that are generated, those will be saved. So for saving purpose we just need match number. So we can give 25. Let me give any match number. So 25 as the match number. And after that we need to select the players. We need to select at least 6 players from each side. You don't need you are not required to select all the 11 players from each side. You can select at least 6 from each side. So let me select all the players as we have already analyzed in the data. Let me select all the probable 11 players and generate the teams using these guys. Sam Curran, Van Bravo, Sadul Thakur, Deepak Chahar, and from the Delhi Capital side, Rishabh Pant, Hetmeyer, Steve Smith, Prithvi Shaw, Shikhar Dhawan, Chris Wokes, Marcus Stoinis, Amit Mishra, Ishant Sharma, Ashwin, and Umesh Yadav. So I have selected all the 11 players from both the sides. After that you need to click on continue. This is a section. It is asking us to select the fixed players. That means that whatever the player you selected here, that player will be there in every team of the generated team. So that means if you feel like any player that will definitely get good points, and tomorrow you can fix them. For example, if you feel Rishabh Pant will definitely get good points, then you can fix them. But I don't want to fix any player for this match, because I don't know guaranteely that one player will definitely play on tomorrow. If you have good analytic skills, if you have some good prediction skills, you can select any player. And let me leave this alone. After that you have to select the players you want to consider for captain. So I have already we have already analyzed that we can select Suresh Raina and Faf du Plessis and Sam Curran. We can consider these guys as a captain from CSK side, and from the DC, Rishabh Pant, Steve Smith, Marcus Stoinis, and Shikhar Dhawan can be considered as a captain. And as well as the captain, we have to also select the vice captain players also. So let me quickly select them as well. So let me quickly select these guys. So after that we need to click on continue again, and after that it is asking the team partition strategy. That means how many players you want from each team. So I have already explained you in the slides as well. Let's go with 5-6 and 6-5, and after that we need to click on continue, and after that we need to give the credit range. Since it is a batting pitch, I have already explained in the slides as well. 98.5 to 100 is the ideal credit range. And after that I have already explained the strategy, the combinations that you should consider. So those combinations will be 2-4-2-3, 1-4-2-4 and 1-5-2-3. These are the 3 combinations. After that we need to click on continue, and after that it is asking us to enter the number of teams you want to generate. So here I want to generate 11 teams. So you can see all these 11 teams are generated within fraction of seconds, and you don't have to worry because all these teams are separate, will be different from one user to another user. These teams will not overlap. These teams will not be same for the both the two users. So you don't have to worry about anything. And these teams are all these teams are generated based on the Dream11 rules and regulations, and all these teams are very highly filtered according to the match situation by the different techniques that we use. Almost 17 different techniques we use in this software to generate top quality winning teams. So I hope you got this point, and I hope you follow this video and will definitely win some good amount of money on tomorrow's match. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please go ahead like this video, and those who want this software can contact me in the contact me. I have already provided you the contact details in the description box as well as in the comment section as well. So I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please go ahead like this video. If you don't like this video, you can dislike this video. And thanks for watching. Consider subscribing. Stay hard.